everybody, I'm Adrian, and here I got my F-150. So I'm restoring this thing, so I'm working on a lot of things. So we can see this is how it used to be. So it was just ripped and very worn out. So this one's the Lariat edition, so it comes in leather. I'm still gonna do a lot of things in the interior. I already made the little holes all the way around. So now I'm going to get my needles and start stitching it. This is the result that it came up with. So lots of studying it up. This is not one of them that I could have just bought a kit that's already got the leather cut and everything. So it's something I had to do from scratch. And I had actually gone to a upholstery shop and they wouldn't even bother with it just because it's such a time-consuming project. So I had to end up figuring it out by myself, and I'm really happy with the way it ended up. So I decided to go with red stitching because it matches the color of the truck. Back here, everything looks good, so nothing's loose. So lots of measuring and practicing to get it just right, so everything's just as tight as it should be. So really happy with it. And then maybe in the future I might end up doing something with the dash, because it's got a crack here and a crack over there. So if I can figure out how to do it, I'll probably re-upholster the entire dash in leather. So my goal is to have it in black with this kind of red stitching. And but yeah, right now I'm kind of focusing on the mechanicals. This is just something I did on my just spare time.